Hey guys, this is Poet Spice, and I thought I would do something different on this channel because on my craft channel, everybody knows I do cards and stuff like that. So today is actually World Card Making Day. It falls on the 2nd October, or the first Saturday or Sunday in October, and this year it is on today, which is the first Saturday. So I thought I would just go ahead and take you through a little journey of some cards that I have made over the last 6 or 7 months or so, and just do that on this channel because hey, it's something different, and it's world card making day, and I thought maybe you would like to see it versus necessarily a process video. So we're just going to go ahead and show you now. Of course, if there's anything that you're interested in, and this isn't meant to be like a sell video, but like they're all here, so if you're interested in like purchasing one or anything like that, you can let me know. So let's get started, because I have a lot to show you, and I'm just going to go through them quickly. I'm not going to take a whole bunch of time, but I just wanted to show you some. So here is one of my cards. It's Hello. It uses some not too shabby shop things here, and also obviously coloring, and some Crafter's Companion, which is the shaped die. And then so on the inside, you can see where you can write a message, and there's some coloring that I did. And here's another one with some coloring from the Not Too Shabby Shop. I used their stamp set, and this is some paper from my stash, and once again, a place to write. So you've got your slimline there. Here's another one. I used a heart shape, as well as, I don't know if you can see that, but it's a puzzle die, a heart-shaped puzzle die. These are some other pieces from the Not Too Shabby Shop, and a die that I have that cuts a, what you call it? And that's just a regular card. A fireplace. And then on the inside, so you can see where it has the puzzle pieces. Relax, refresh, recharge. And it's an easel card. So that's what an easel card looks like, if you do not know. I have 2 of these, which are these cute little bears with the coffee cups. And then this is some Crafter's Companion paper, and these 2 are cottage cut dies, and you can see where I did some coloring and some shading on here. And then on the inside, you put your message, and then here's another in a different pattern. We have some other slim lines, a vertical slim line, and this is Anna Griffin die that makes this cute little cup and saucer. And then these are some, I forget, Bumble Girls, I think they were, that I colored up. And then some other stuff from my stash. This is the background die, is actually a slimline die that cuts out these little holes. And then on the inside, you have some more tea that's been embossed and some more layering. Now, these are not cards, but they are tags. And so you can see how this one is a very large tag, and it is from Graphic 45 tag. These are some Crafter Companion decoupage pieces that I put together. And then here's the 3D decoupage. See, yeah, my decoupage came off. And this is why you always put glue, and I did not put glue on that one. So, and then of course I added some shading and some coloring to it. And then here is another one. This is an Anna Griffin piece, Graphic 45, Anna Griffin, and then the flowers are 3D decoupage flowers from Crafter's Companion. So you see those too. Here is a flip card, and so what it does is you open it like this, and this is some Anna Griffin die as well as some ephemera from her, and then when you open it, it flips. Look, flip it, flip it, flip it. And so that's that one. I love Christmas, so I make Christmas like all year long. So here's some, I forget what die this is from, and this is a Crafter's Companion or Tonic Studios. And then on the inside, we've got 2 slimline Christmas cards. So you can see the poinsettias, the mirror paper, and these open this way. And then you have this one. And it's the same. Opens that way. Absolutely love it. I love making cards. They're so fun. All right, so we might as well go ahead with the other 2. So there's these 2. And they open that way as well. And then here's this one. so they coordinate. Here's this one. And so as you see it, like in coloring, I've been coloring for ages, mainly using stamped images and so forth. So, and then this one opens this way. Then you have some more die cuts and some pattern paper. All right, so there's that set. Here are some 3x3 cards. So just this old telephone with a hey girl, and then some pieces on the inside. And so those. There is a box card. So when you do this, whoop, hold on. It's been flat for so long, so I got to do it the other way. Come on. You're making me look like a liar here. There we go. So here's a box card, and it stands up like that. Awesome size. So you can see I colored all the roses and the strawberries and the little girl in the background. She's so cute. And then it goes flat. You can mail it. Okay, here's this one. It's Crafter's Companion, and you can see where I colored her up, which is a little Darling's polka doodle. Some Anna Griffin here. And then this one opens from the top. Okie dokie then. Then we get into the very large card here. So this one, you have to look at this down this way. So this is a big, huge die set. So you can see the 3 different levels of dies. And then here's a stamp set from Altenew. Excuse me, Altenew. And then these are graphic 45 die cuts, and I put them together to make the flowers to go with it. And I still haven't put a sentiment because I don't know what I wanted to say. And then on the inside, you have the gold in ink stamping. Okay, here's another shaped card. It's like a pocket, and then you have these 3D flowers. And you can see where I colored those things again. So it's the same stamp, same stamp set, different coloring. And then you open this die or card up this way, and it says, "I love your bunches." And it has 2 little tags in it. How cute are they? Love it to love it. Love it to love it. Love, 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 love. And of course you can mail all of these. Now some of these are obviously going to require some extra postage because they are thicker, but that's just the way things go. That's the way the cookie crumbles. Now I have some bases. Did I finish these? Sometimes I don't know if I finished them. I might have just put the bases on. So, yep, this is one where I just did the base. So I haven't actually put anything on the inside yet, except for the papers. And they've got mushrooms, and all this is Crafter's Companion paper. And then some bases where you just have this, and then envelopes. And usually what happens is I just feel like making some and using up some scraps, and so I'll do that, and then, you know, I'll go back later. So this is a Cupcake Card from the Not Too Shabby Shop, where I used the paper and so forth from there. And you can see where I colored them and put some glitter glue and glitter dots and Nuvo dots. And then you come over here and whoa, sprinkled with love. What? And then you open the inside and you can put your other message there. I love that card. Then here's this one. This is a typewriter shaped card, and it's some ephemera, some dies that I put together. Then on the inside you can see that card, and you can write your message right there. I love typewriters as well. It's crazy. So we might as well go ahead with this typewriter card. So you see that, and it says just saying hello, I love you, and then some little stars here. But watch, did you see that? What? Bonjour, ni hao, guten Tag, hello. So it's so cute. So you got your little wheel card, and then on the inside, place to write a message and so forth. And that's some hunky dory diamond press Yeah, Hunky Dory and Diamond Press. There you go for that one. And I think the polka dot is Not Too Shabby paper. Okay, so then let's see what else do we have her. We're almost through. I don't want to keep you forever and a day. So we have another card. This would work with my cozy theme this month. So it is another card where you, a box card. So all you gotta do is fold it the other way. Ta-da-da. Look at that. It says Coffee and Friends, although I don't drink coffee. And then love, and then you've got some cookies and donuts and everything back there. And you just go whoop and put it in an envelope. There's this one that says love with the little penguins. I love it. No pun intended. And then on the inside, I do need to put a mat on that one. Okay, here's a fab cute one. This is a slimline card. And you can see it's bee themed. This is a die cut from Tattered Lace. And so these are some die. Well, I always use dies. So, so it says Share Joy. And this is a slimline die that I have. And then this is a die cut. And I've colored the die cut. So, like I said, I've been coloring for years. And then here on the inside. And then I've also colored these up in the little bee. What? How cute is that? So adorable. All right, there's an envelope. Okay, here's another card. This is pretty cool. This is using Not Too Shabby shop paper again. Be salty, have fun. And when you open the card, what? Yes, so it's a scene, it's a corner scene card. And it would actually sit on your desk. Boop, boop, like that. Then you go, boop, put this little thing back on it. You could also put it in a mini album, but put this little belly band back on. There you go. I made 2 of these. These are shakers. I don't know where the other one is, so we'll just put them together. So you got 2 shakers. So it's our sequins in it. And Crafter's Companion dies, and random paper from my stash. Sequins from my stash. And a Griffin Halloween card. So cut the die, colored the background. Then you can put your message on the inside like that. Then I turned the same die, which is actually supposed to Halloween die, into a Christmas one. And it stands up. So it goes like this. A center step card. So you can see the mechanism. It's kind of hard to do it, but you can see the mechanism, so it will stand like that. So I did one like that, and then I did one like this. Same center step card, but with a different look on it. So there's that. Then another slimline card. This one doesn't have a sentiment because I don't know what I wanted to say, but I did color up her outfit. Put her shading and everything in there, and then her face and her hair. Then there is this card, which I absolutely love. It's one of my favorite dies ever from Tonic Studios. And it will stand up like this as well. It's so gorgeous. Look at that. All the detail. And that's just plain. That's plain. I didn't even put all the detail. Here's another one. It has Tattered Lace dies on it. I did do a little coloring, but very simple, basic. Just shade that in. And then there's that one. I also put it on a center step base, so it will stand like that. And then on inside, Then we have the Anna Griffin Christmas House Easel die. So you can see where it says Merry Christmas in all the little windows, and the little door opens. Love it. You got your little trees and everything. And this is an easel card. So when you open it, it stands like this. So you can see that. And we have this card, which is also an Anna Griffin die. And I put all the layers on and so forth. Cut my papers. It's an easel die. That one says happy birthday. And then we have this one, which I actually made today for World Card Making Day. And I have a video up on my craft channel of how to do it. So when you open it, it's a pop-up card. See that? Pops up. Boop, boop. Gnomes. So that's that one. And oh, nope, not finally. I've got one here, which is a giant. Can you see how big this card is? I have big man hands, and it takes 2 of my hands to cover this card. So, and it's very dimensional, and I colored her up. And it is also an easel card. I love easel cards. I'm about to have a card avalanche over here. I love easel cards. And so this one stands like this. So it is a very large card. So you can see her face. And so you got dies and stuff that I've colored in, and you can see how large it is. So that is huge. It is a huge card. I love this card. It's one of my favorites of all time. And then finally, I have this card, which is kind of a little bent, but so it's a 3D jukebox. I made this with my dies, and then I made all these paper flowers with my dies. So I made all those, and then you've got these papers back here, and then when you open it, it goes this way. You're my jam. Get it? Record player. So, and then here's a tip for people who may be new to card making. If you're still on the coloring channel, if you make a card that has a lot of weight on the front, like this has a lot of weight on the front in dimensions, so you can see how thick that is. That's like at least a 1/2 inch almost. Yeah, it's about 1/2 inch thick. So a lot of cards will open like this, but it'll make your card fall over. So if you make it a tent fold, it balances the weight. So if you put your fold at the top. So those are my cards that I wanted to show you just because it's World Card Making Day. And if you want to see the video for this card, it will be up on my channel, on my craft channel, and I will put a link to that below. And like I said, if you're interested in purchasing any of them, you can let me know about that. But that's not what this video is for. It's just to show you. All right, thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you later. And if you're a card maker, or even if you're not, you want to try it, go make a card for World Card Making Day. Bye.